Should have brought one of your drums.
They have drums.
Oh, okay. Circle back to it, yeah. Hungry? Saddles, of course. Oh, I mean, I think that's just for decor, actually. Tell me about it. But look how low to the ground it is. Isn't it just gonna fuck up the stomach, you know?
Yeah, oh, they're lower back, yeah. Backs are bad. Look at this little dog's in the basket. I guess it's dog friendly.
Yeah, very much so. I almost feel like this is the food section. Everything, right? Yeah. Nachos, tacos over here.
Everything in just gradual, right?
Wow, look at that girl. She's got a limo. I can't believe it. Wow.
Oh, lots of things.
Bear garden. The bear garden over here or something. Blind dog.
Number one, holy.
I know my mom would really like it.
Seems like it's a dog show too. This is from Dwight.
Hey, graduate. That was electric bike there, wasn't it? Bike for that right there?
No, it's not. I hear a train coming, but it sounds like it, doesn't it? Maybe at the end. Oh no! Now I forgot it. When I was a lad, my family would travel down to eastern Kentucky, where my parents were born. That abandoned old farm, so often remembered, so many times that my memories are warm.
Popped out. And maybe it's just like a deer popped out tired and laying on a log or something. Hey, look at his legs on the log.
Fifteen days, sun is cold and rain. I know it's been that way for all my time.
1, 2, 3. I believe it takes a long time, Kyle. It's really hard. Yeah, it's lazy old cat. That's how it works, man. You're doing great, though. Okay, Kyle, I'm gonna give you some instructions. What I do not look up. It'll make it weird, okay? All right. Next, you have to stand nice and straight like you're standing like a normal human. Perfect. Okay, take a little step to your right. Your other right. Good job, okay? 19. All right, here we go. I'm gonna throw my body weight over to your right on the count of 3. When I do, I'm gonna push down like that, okay? When that happens, don't move your shoulders. If you move your shoulders, 2 things are gonna happen. 1, I'm gonna fall down and embarrass myself in front of these 131 people. And 2, I'm holding 3 sharp and rusty knives right by your neck, okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, relax your arms, Kyle, relax your arms. Don't let go. Good, okay, good. Now, you need to let go of the benches, Kyle. Count 1, 2, 3. Okay, arms to your sides. Hand your head. Really soft, okay? Kyle, in a second, I'm going to count 3 again. This time on 3, you're going to run, okay? I'm going to be specific, Kyle. Please do not run forward. 1, 2, 3. Guys, it's here for Kyle! Woo! Okay, now back to me, folks. I'm on kind of 2 hills right now, so I'm going to do this quick. In a second, I'm going to juggle and you're going to clap. Here we go. Okay. I feel like the only thing that make this trick better would be like a spontaneous, slow, and rhythmic clap, you know? But I don't know how to make that happen. So, oh my God, it's happening. And everybody's doing it, even the guy in the back, making eye contact with the pen. Now he's staring at the silk skies. But sure, clap your hands. Don't make it weird. There it is. And it's getting louder and louder. Here we go. Oh, come on, Huntsville, let me hear you!
Yeah.